Hello, this is Richard Price. Have you ever wondered if there really is a difference between conventional materials and bulk filling composites? Well, I put together this short video just to show you the difference between Tetric Prime and Tetric PowerFill. I'm going to use the MOD mold that I designed, and I want to point out that the mold is 7 millimeters deep in the proximal boxes, and that is because the Tetric PowerFill should cure all the way down to 8 millimeters, since it is a 4 millimeter depth of cure composite. Now, this 4 millimeter depth of cure comes from curing a composite in the ISO mold and then dividing the length of the hard composite that remains by 2. So therefore it should cure all the way to 8 millimeters in depth. Here we can see me filling the cavity with Tetric Prime. Now remember, this is a conventional material and it should only produce a hard composite to a depth of 4 millimeters, which will give you a 2 millimeter depth of cure. I'm now going to light cure the composite for 10 seconds over each of the proximal boxes using the Blue Phase Power Cure light. When we remove this conventional composite from the mold, we can see that the material is not cured at the bottom of the proximal boxes. This is just what we would expect to see. It's nice to see that it is hard in the center portion, which is 5 millimeters deep, which means that the material is curing to 2.5 millimeters in depth. Here we can see filling the cavity now using the Bulk Fill material Tetric PowerFill. Again, we're incrementally placing it, and again we are not curing in between each layer. When I filled up the cavity, I will then put a mylar strip on top, and I will light cure the composite using the Blue Phase Power Cure light, again for 10 seconds over each of the proximal boxes, making a total of 20 seconds. When we open up the mold, you can see that the composite is cured all the way. To further show this, we're going to place the composite into a solvent, which will remove all of the uncured composite, and we'll then apply a blue stain so that you can clearly see what has been cured and what hasn't been cured. So the top image shows a bulk fill material, and you can see, as expected, it appears to be fully cured. There's no uncured composite there. In contrast, for the conventional material Tetric Prime, you can see that the composite has been dissolved away in the proximal boxes. Now, I do want to point out that both of these are excellent. It just is that the Tetric PowerFill is designed to be a bulk curing material, whereas the Tetric Prime is a conventional material. So therefore I would not expect the conventional material to perform well in this large MOD mold. I hope this video has shown you some of the differences between a bulk filling material and a conventional curing composite. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you very much for watching.